In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up categories in your knowledge base so that you can categorize your articles and information. So what we're going to do is navigate over to Setup over here on the bottom left-hand side, and then we're going to click on Help Desk. From here, we're going to click on Knowledge Base. And so this is how you're going to access your knowledge base. Now, to create categories, what we're going to do is click on Add Category on the top right-hand side. So from here, we'll be able to create multiple categories, and this will allow us to categorize our different articles that we create into smaller subsections. So let's go ahead and create a category. I'm going to go with this being a cat shop. I sell cat food, cat toys, cat paraphernalia, and other cat care items. So let's go ahead and create a category, and let's just call this one cat food. And then I'm going to make sure that the status of this category is published, or if I want to make it unpublished, I can do that, and I can publish it when all of the articles that I want to add to this category have been added and published as well. So I'm going to go ahead and make this one published instead, and I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So now I've created one category. So we can go ahead and create as many categories as we want. Let's go ahead and add another category. So I'm going to click on Add Category, and let's call this one Cat Toys. And you'll see here that I now have the option to choose a parent category. So if I have multiple subcategories, I can put them under a parent category. So let's say instead of doing cat toys, maybe I've got an article on dry food. I could then go ahead and choose my parent category of cat food, and then this will be published as well, and I can hit save. So you'll see here that in my cat food category, I now have a subcategory of dry food. So we can go ahead and create as many categories as we want in our knowledge base that apply to our different types of articles. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to start creating articles and adding content to those articles.